Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are looking at Hope's litter. So now I just wanted to let everybody know that the purpose of us doing these videos is so you can see your dog. So I do make a couple jokes, like I'm gonna take the dog and bring it to the glue factory, or I tell some guy that he's that another puppy's available for him. These are all just jokes. So, because I had to say that because somebody is taking my stuff seriously. So I'm just telling you that the whole purpose of this thing is to see the puppies that you're gonna get. That's it. So if I say anything else, don't take me literally. But I do have a female right there. Let me see where my female is. Are you female? I think you're the female, right? Let me see. Oh, come here, baby. Yep, that's the female right there. She is available. So if anybody wants a chocolate female from this litter, she's nice, big, fat, and that's from Hope's litter. So if anybody wants one, let me know. But the whole purpose of these videos are so you can see your puppy. That's it. There you go. Tom, that's your puppy. Mike, your puppy's in here. And somebody's buying 2 males for me. There's one there and there's one there. So everybody's getting their puppies. So there they are. Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Yay! Let me see your faces. Yay! Let's come there. They're so energized that they come right to me. I can't take a pic. I can't take any videos. There you go. Let me see if I can get a video outside. Yay! There they are. Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Sign off.